Hey, hi. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
One second. One second, I'm opening it. You're able to see my screen?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, actually, we need to start from where?
DAX expressions you were telling about.
Okay, right. Okay. Anyone referred what is the meaning of DAX?
Yes, sir. Data
What
analysis.
it is?
Data analysis.
Sorry,
Data
that's it.
analysis.
Data?
Analysis expression. Analytic expression or analysis expression.
Okay. What is the requirement of it?
Uh, it's said to uh, it is said to be a formula which holds different functions and operators to perform certain calculations or something.
Okay. DAX is nothing but data analysis expressions. Generally, people will call as data analysis.
Okay.
Okay, analysis expressions. To create calculated fields and to create measures, we'll use this particular thing. In Excel, how we'll write some formulas to do some specific things like that. This also will be
Okay.
helpful for us.
Okay.
Okay. One is for calculated columns and another one is for measures.
Okay.
Okay. Right. For example, if you consider, you can imagine like that for calculated columns, we are doing it. For example, this is a one day entire data table. The newly calculated table may establish independently or based on the existing columns, or maybe some manipulations based on the existing column. Either we will apply some conditions on the existing columns, we will create new condition, new table, a new column. Otherwise, we'll put some conditions on these condition. For example, we take this particular, this is the date of birth and this is the date of birth. Okay, how many years he lived? Okay, this is
Mm-hmm.
not the existed one, but it is the
Mm.
result of this particular thing.
Okay.
Okay, what is
Okay.
the purpose of this particular thing? What is the purpose to create DAX?
To get a detailed data or something of some specific datas.
For example, what is the purpose of the filters?
To see the particular
Decide
uh,
co- or decide.
what we want to see or not.
Yeah.
To filter what we need or need uh, to filter the particular column what we need or something like that.
I didn't get your question. Your voice is missing. Hello? You're asking something?
She was saying, sir, about filters.
Right. For example, we'll take one specific data and we'll go through it. Where is our data?
It is there, sir. Orders is there, right?
Okay. And transforming the data. Okay, subcategories don't have that many.
So there we have orders database, right? Can we get any data from that?
Yes, we can able to get it. Okay, okay, already it already there.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Here is the data and okay. For example, here if you see,
Hmm.
how can I say? Mm, okay. Now, what happened?
What happened, sir?
It is not responding. For example, just 1 second. I'm checking. Okay, you're able to see now how
Yes,
you
sir.
how you got this particular thing.
Yeah, you just created
Okay,
a column on.
right, right. Now, for example, this is considered as a 1 month profit. You can consider take it as okay
Mm.
profit per year. Profit per year. Now, profit per year is you're able to see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Like
actually,
that.
okay,
Yes, tell me.
you created a new column. There is an option of new measure, right? So this is a measurable column, right? Oh, can't we have it?
Sorry.
No, no. You just clicked on and you created a new column, right?
Yes, right.
There is an option of new measure. So this is a measurable column, right? Which one we have created, profit per year.
Yes.
So can we have it as a new measure also?
Okay, I'll tell you. What is the difference between the calculated? I mean to say like uh, column and measurable measure. New measure and new column.
That can
Measure
get measured. The yeah,
measures are aggregation of
like mm,
value like
quantity. That column holds the quality or quality of that particular.
each row.
Yeah, I think column can hold both or what?
Column gives value of each row, where measure give the aggregation like sum and
Guys,
average.
1 second be online. Hey, sorry guys. Tell me what is the difference between column and new column and measure? Hmm.
Measures provide aggregation like sum, average, and where column provides the value for each row, and it creates new column. We can see it, but in measures, it's just aggregation.
Okay. Column is nothing but if you are adding with formulas or with conditions in the same table, that is a new column. Try to understand the major difference. For example, multiple tables we'll use, right, generally
Yeah.
to create a report. In that report, if you're adding a new column in a table, in an existing table with help of DAX or with help of some other functions,
Mm.
that is called a new column, and that is for this particular table and row level,
Mm.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is new column. We'll consider this as a new column. What is the meaning of measure? Across the table, for example, what is the average or minimum or maximum or aggregation of two values in a specific table?
Mm-hmm.
If you're performing calculations on a table or multiple tables, not on a column. Yet here what you are doing by using the existing columns or by using the column different conditions, you are creating a new column, and this particular column is going to create column wise, row wise
Mm-hmm.
on the entire table, single table or multiple tables.
Mm.
If you are creating a specific thing, that is considered as a measure. For example, if you consider, I'll tell you, what is the total profit? What is the total profit? For example, see new measure.
Okay.
Okay, see this
Mm.
one, new measure.
Mm.
How you're going to do this particular thing? New measure. I'm going to add as a profit, total profit. How we will add?
Like sum of all the profits.
Not profit.
Sorry, sum of?
Some of the profits.
Yes,
Sum.
how it will be?
Just adjust it. That with the formula like sum and
Okay, see, for example, sum of what do you want?
orders profit.
Order.
Okay,
Yeah.
orders,
Last one profit.
orders, profit,
Mm.
orders, profit. The profit is already used in the column. Okay, okay. Profit is already there, right? So that is the
Yeah.
reason it is not giving total profit. You're able to see which is created at here.
Yes.
Yes.
Name is nothing but total profit. Where you are going to use the measure?
Mm.
When you build a dashboard at some place, today's total sales, today total customers, today
Mm.
total return products, today total delivered products. That type of information will be there, right?
Yes.
If you observe the dashboard, for example, I'll show you some sample dashboard. Hmm. Okay, see this one. In this new scores, you're able to see.
Ah, yes. 10, right?
Yeah. New stores, total stores.
How this count came into the picture.
Okay. So we can use those measures over there.
Yes. Measure is across a table or multiple tables.
Hmm.
Both are not the same. For
Okay.
okay, if it should be a error, if it is, it kind of a, how can I say like that? It kind of a measure. It should be either sum or average or aggregations,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just try to create two new columns with the help of some simple functions, and with try to create two new measures. For example, here I'm there. I'm going to visualization. Now there is,
So the value of sum of profit we'll be able to view only in the dashboards, or here in the table somewhere else we will not be able to view that.
how you are able to see it here.
No, no, just
How it will be
like
balanced.
to check or something, we cannot do that. Just we have to drag that and we can view it in dashboard.
Ah, yes, right.
Okay, okay, I got it.
Got it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it.
Can you try to create a simple I mean, take whatever the data set you want to take. Try to
Mm.
create some new column and new measure. Hey, I just given a task, so that is the reason you're not able to hear me, Sudha.
Okay, sir. Okay. Got it. Yes, sir. I created a new column and a new measure.
Okay. On what basis you created? For example, and with condition. With which condition?
Which condition?
1 second. I'll tell you some specific things. I'll tell you some specific formulas for you. You can able to get a clear understanding. Okay. For example, if you want to do a calculated column, how you will do? Simply, you will name the new column name and is equal to that particular table and column name and operator at here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, plus or minus or multiplied or divided by whatever it may be, and table name and column name. This is the way you're going to create a new column. Okay, is it clear for each and everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. For example, if it is a measure, how you will create a measure? For example, total sales.
First,
You will use some. You will use the function on
Yeah.
what you want and table name and column name.
Column name. Yeah.
Okay, this is the format, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, if you want to apply any filter, how you will do? For example, if you want to filter a sale, you need to use the filter function. Okay. And where you want to use sales. Okay. In which table? Sales table. And in that different categories will be there, right? For example, this is related to cars, this is related to bikes, this is related to bicycles, this is related to buses, something. For example, here I want to give like, what is my name? Car. You remember it's similar to a little bit of similar to Python. How you do filtering in pandas.
Mm-hmm.
From here to here, it's same how you will use in pandas, right?
Mm.
Okay, this is to filter, apply the filter things.
Mm.
For example, you want to apply any time specific. For example, on that particular date, what is the sales? For example, what is the meaning of okay? For example, total column name something, value name, measure name, total total sales YTD some total. Okay, I'll tell you this particular thing clearly. Total YTD sales and what we want, sales amount and date we need to give.
Mm.
Okay, the time period should be year or quarter or month or week or day.
Mm.
What is the meaning of YTD?
Year.
What is the meaning of YTD? You'll see, right?
Year, time, day.
Yep.
Year,
Time. Year to date.
year to date. Okay, year to date. Exactly up to where you want sales, you can able to use that thing.
Mm.
Okay, if you want to write any specific formulas, you know, we have a different type of formulas. It's not like that you need to remember. For example, if you're going only as a Power BI developer, then they may ask these functions.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
1 second, I'll check. Okay, I'll tell some functions. Remaining functions you can able to search and try to implement. Okay, now I'll tell you. Oh God. Aggregation functions. What are aggregation functions?
Some
Min, max, average.
Min, max,
count,
count,
average,
right?
Mm.
Okay. Logical functions. What are the logical functions?
and or
If. If.
And,
or
or,
If.
not, false,
true.
if.
If.
Okay, false or true. Okay. And some text functions also there. These operations you already know. We performed in SQL and we performed in, we were able to do it in Excel and as well as we were able to do it in Pandas also.
Mm. Mm.
Concatenate,
Ah.
left, right, mid, extracting specific number of characters. Okay. And the another one is, and another one, and it is also we'll use now, today, year,
Mm.
month. These are date and time functions. Clear?
See.
These are the basic functions you need to know. And if there is any advanced DAX functions, you can need to identify based on your requirement. Based on your requirement. Okay. And each and everyone are clear? Aggregation functions, logical functions, text functions, and time and date functions.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'll tell you in another category. I mean, select extension for this. Filter functions. Filter function means what it will do.
Filter function, it is used to filter certain
Based on some conditions.
based on some
Okay.
filter
Some conditions, it will extract the data, or it will remove the data, or it will allocate the data. And information functions. In pandas, how you will check how many null values are there? In pandas, is null is there, right? Is null.
Oh.
is null. Okay.
Okay. Now, information functions. For example, is error, is blank, is number, and type. These are the different information functions. Is error or is blank or is null or is error. Okay, what are the different mathematics functions you will use? Math functions. No, those are aggregation functions. Those are aggregated functions.
They are like this one.
Subtraction kind of thing.
Divide and slash or
Multiply, division.
No.
operators.
Median, standard deviation. Okay, variance. Standard deviation of population and standard deviation of sample. Standard variance of population and variance of sample. You know the difference between population and sample, right?
Yes, sir. I've read in that.
Population is nothing but entire thing.
Yeah. Sample, it means it's picking a certain number of people and then getting those. It is not performed with all the populations. We'll pick a certain number of people, and based on those sample, we'll get the data.
Okay. And what is the meaning of absolute function? You know, we already discussed absolute. What is the meaning of absolute function?
Is it like
Mod function. Okay.
yes, sir.
these are the different functions which are related to DAX. In DAX, two categories will be there. How many categories? Creating a new column and creating a measure. Measure will be on a whole level. Column is related to local level. You can consider.
Okay.
Okay. And what are the different categories of DAX functions? Aggregation functions, logical functions, text functions, date time functions, and filter functions, information functions, and math functions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is the purpose of the logical functions?
To check certain conditions, like if it met certain conditions or not. Conditional check.
Okay. For example, just 1 second. Where is our chart? It is not pasting also in the chart. Can you please see that one?
What, sir? Which one?
I pinged in the group. Can you please check?
Oh,
Yes, I got them.
Yeah. Got it, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So these filter functions are like will be created as a new measure, or how come it will be created, sir? These filter functions.
For example, you have 1,000 rows of data. You created this particular filter.
Okay.
Okay, you created and you applied this entire filter on the table. The
Mhm.
entire data is going to refresh based on that filter,
Yes.
based on that particular measure.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't mean like that it is available in a specific field, and it's not like that. These are the different from
Mm-hmm.
creating a column.
Okay. So the thing is that if you're no like how to write those filters, like if it has a column, we'll create a new column and then we'll write that function. If it is going to be a measure, we'll create a new measure and then we'll write where we have to write these filter functions. Because I
So,
tried creating one filter, but I don't know whether in column or measure. I don't know, because it is showing the expression refers to multiple columns. So I don't know whether I'm creating in the right place or not. I don't know. Can you just show that the filter function, sir?
Yes. 1 second. You see here, for example, what are the different categories? Okay, paper. Subcategory is paper. I'm selecting.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Filter. What is the table?
Orders.
Orders. What is the thing? Orders and
Orders, comma, the table, and then
Subcategory.
orders, comma, orders subcategory.
yeah, is equal.
Subcategory. Okay. Subcategory is equal to
Hmm.
paper. You're able to see subcategory column at here.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
You're able to see
Yes, sir.
paper. It is a capital. Capital. Cannot find the name paper. PAPR.
Have it. It has to be given double quotes, right, sir?
Okay. Okay. Now just you can see.
I'm
The
getting.
expression refers to multiple columns. Multiple columns cannot be converted into a scalar value. Okay.
Yeah, I'm getting the same.
You're getting the same error.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Multiple columns. Orders. Uh, for example, how can I? Okay, right. We'll do it in another way. Another way. We'll create we're going to create hmm, okay. What we need to do? Filtered subcategories there, right? Okay. Now Filter subcategory. Sum of total sub sales is equal to sum of uh, where is filtered? Here previously we created one condition, right? On that condition, we need to perform some specific operations. Maybe this particular data is not suitable to do those things.
Okay.
I'll try to find the suitable one, or I'll arrange to implement these things. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. We'll meet you tomorrow.
Okay, sir. So tomorrow we'll continue with the same task, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.